Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a smart switch to the SmartLife app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a pair of smart switches and you want to go ahead and add them to the SmartLife app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the SmartLife app, and then your homepage is going to look like this. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on the plus icon. Then click on Add a device. Now, at this point, you want to go ahead and make sure that you plug your smart switch into a socket and make sure that it's turned on. This here will automatically search for your device, and you do have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if you do all those steps, it should automatically appear here where you can just connect to your smart switch, log into the Wi-Fi, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about adding a device. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.